Discover the flexibility of the patented and modular Caroline home and living furnishing system from Concept S in a sophisticated design. The individual combination of grid structure and components creates countless configuration options to customize furniture for all residential and living spaces according to your needs and wishes. Thanks to its variability in height and width, Caroline home and living is perfect for all home areas and living spaces. Wardrobes and cupboards for your hallway with lots of space for jackets, shoes, personal items and much more. Customized wall units, shelves, coffee tables, sideboards, creative room dividers for your living areas. Spacious dressers, chests of drawers, functional vanity units and bedside tables for your bedroom. Practical and stylish trolleys, wall racks, cupboards for your kitchen. Mirror cabinets, wall racks, storage furniture, laundry bins for your bathroom. Office furniture with integrated tables, shelves and plenty of storage space for your home office. And many more. Use our free online configurator to customize your own furniture. We will also be happy to support you and create an optimal furnishing concept for you and will accompany you all the way to completion. Contact us and together we can realize your ideas. Request a free consultation. Get in touch with us now.